let's dive into that. I love that. So mindset, I'm a huge believer that mindset's like a muscle. If you're not working it out, it doesn't get strong, right? And I am a firm believer of somebody who constantly works out their mindset. I know you've got a strong mindset just based off of me following you on social media. What do you do personally to keep your mindset strong and to make it stronger?
Yeah, well, a couple things, man. Like, number one, I'm always investing in mentorship. Always. One of the things, I think people do is they want to know what stock to buy, or, they want to set themselves up for retirement, which is good and fine. For me, I really want to play a lot of offense financially.
Yeah.
Meaning, yes, I don't want to be buried in debt. Yes, I want to make smart choices, but I also don't want to be driving down the road with one foot on the brake and one foot on the gas.
Right.
So for me, what I realize is I'm going to invest an exuberant amount of money into myself. And that's where, instead of buying stocks or worrying about retirement right now, I'm literally going to put all my money in myself. And what I realized was that I wasn't giving the mentor money. I was literally writing a check and he would put it in his bank account, yes. But what I was doing was depositing that into myself. And so I went on this journey of just growing and, like a sponge, just I wanted to know the secrets of life, right? I wanted to master manifestation. I wanted to master intention. Me ending up in the NFL was not an accident. That was in my realm of possibility from the time that I believed it, right? And so I knew that, but I was in my business life, I was how do I always tap into that? And the only way I knew, because sometimes I would do it, sometimes I wouldn't, is I need to find these people who are living the way that I want to live. And so, long story short, one of the best things that I do is I seek out people who I believe have something to teach me, and I'll pay them for mentorship. And then on top of that, I'm constantly reading, right? I'm constantly reading stuff about quantum physics and the law of attraction, and reading stuff by Bob Proctor and Napoleon Hill and, all that stuff that I just continuously feed my mind and feed my brain. And then one of the other most powerful things that I've done is, sometimes I guess I kind of made the shift recently where, I was seeking outside knowledge, which is awesome. But then I started to realize how many of those answers I already had within. Right. And so then meditation, getting quiet, and then journaling, right? When you put pen to paper and you're bam, oh my God, I just had a breakthrough and I did it on myself. So those are probably the things: mentorship, little bit of meditation, nothing, monk style, but 15 to 20 minutes a day. Journaling, thoughts, and trying to find that inner knowledge and inner voice that I do have, and, constantly reading stuff that inspires me and studying other people.
That is awesome. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the Snap Leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the Snap Leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the Snap Leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the Snap Leash.